So the sensor itself, you've got the connector endcap with the subcon connector as standard. And on the other end, you've got a plastic cover, which covers the raw pressure sensor and also the temperature sensor just in there. Both of these can be accessed by removing the black plastic cap. You can do that by the little clip there. You can get your finger in there and just prise the clip apart. The clip comes off, and then the protective end cap comes off and away. And you can then see and get access to the pressure sensor, which is ideal if you want to rinse it or clean it after a deployment. And you can also see the temperature sensor there. So again, it's ideal for getting access to that and just cleaning it out after use. It's very nice and quick and easy to reassemble. Just put the cap back on and take the clip and just open it out, and it snaps back into place just like that.